is supply? Supply refers to the amount of a product or service that is available to consumers. It is closely related to demand, which is the consumer desire to obtain the product. It is often represented by an upward sloping line called the supply curve. Supply can also mean the willingness and ability of a producer to supply goods. For example, the total amount of apples a farmer can produce and sell is the supply of apples. The law of supply states that the higher the price of a good, the more of that good a producer will be willing to supply. This is because higher prices produce greater revenue and profit.
Hey everyone, today I will be discussing an important concept in economics, the change in quantity supply. This concept is crucial for understanding how markets operate and how price influence the behavior of suppliers. To begin, let's define what we mean by change in quantity supply. This term refers to a movement along the supply curve, which represents the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity that suppliers are willing to produce and sell. Now, let's talk about what happens when the price of a good increases. When the price rises, suppliers are incentivized to produce more of that good. This phenomenon is known as an expansion in supply. For example, imagine a company that produces smartphones. If the market price for a smartphone increases, the company may decide to ramp up production to take advantage of the higher price. This results in the movement to the right along the supply curve, indicating an increase in the quantity supply. Conversely, if the price of a good decreases, the quantity supply will also decrease. This situation is referred to as contraction in supply. Using the same smartphone example, if the market price drops significantly, the company may find it less profitable to produce as many smartphones. As a result, they may cut back on production, leading to a movement to the left along the supply curve, indicating a decrease in the quantity supply. It's important to note that these movements are solely caused by change in the price of goods itself, while all other factors remain constant. This principle is often referred to as ceteris paribus, which means all other things being equal. In conclusion, understanding change in quantity supply is essential for grasping how suppliers respond to price change in the market. An increase in price leads to an expansion in supply, while a decrease in price results in contraction in supply.
A change in supply is an economic term that describes when the suppliers of a given good or service alter production or output. A change in supply can occur as a result of a new technologies such as more efficient or less expensive production processes, or a change in the number of the competitors in the market. A change in supply leads to a shift in the supply curve, which causes an imbalance in the market that is corrected by changing prices and demand. An increase in the change in supply shifts the supply curve to the right, while a decrease in the change in supply shifts the supply curve to the left. Essentially, there is an increase or decrease in the quantity supply that is paired with higher or lower supply price. For example, if a new technology reduces the cost of gaming console production for manufacturers, according to the law of supply, the output of console will increase. With more output in the market, the price of the console will likely to fall, creating a greater demand in the marketplace and higher overall sales of consoles. This technological advancement has caused a change in supply.
Let's talk about the recent development in the Malaysian palm oil market, particularly focusing on the record high prices, government initiative, and the impact on smallholder farmers. In March 2023, the price of palm oil in Malaysia reached an all-time high of 7,261 ringgit per metric ton. This significant price increase reflects both global demand and market dynamics, positioning Malaysia as a key player in the palm oil industry. In 2022, Malaysia exported a total of 24.72 million tons of palm oil and palm-based products, marking a 1.8% increase from 2021. This growth in export underscores the importance of palm oil to Malaysia's economy and its role in the global market. Recognizing the potential of this market, the Malaysian government seized the opportunity in the 2023 budget by providing a 40 million incentive through the Smallholder Palm Oil Replanting Financing Initiative Scheme. This scheme offers a 50% grant and a 50% loan to a smallholder and palm oil entrepreneur for replanting effort. The primary objective of this subsidy is to increase the supply of palm oil to the world market. By doing so, the government aims to generate revenue through export taxes and foreign currency, further strengthening the Malaysia economic position. According to data from the Malaysia Palm Oil Board, the number of smallholder palm oil farmers in 2023 has seen a slight increase to 26.4% compared to the previous year. This trend indicates that smallholder farmers are enticed to enter the market, motivated by the higher price and the support provided by the government. In conclusion, the combination of record high prices, increased export, and the government initiative is creating a favorable environment for palm oil production in Malaysia. This situation not only benefits smallholder farmers but also contributes to the overall growth of the Malaysian economy.